What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. You guys know what it is. It's your boy Kevin, man. Okay. All right. So this one's about the typhoon that's going on over there in the Philippines right now. It hit about maybe like 5 days ago. And you guys want to check this one out? This one is by the Hungry Wandering Serbian. Okay. Yes, I know him very well, man. Basil. Yes, we all know him. So apparently he's doing a vlog. Vlogs about the flooding in the Metro Manila, and I'm about to check that out. Let you guys know what I think about it. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna tell you what I actually think about his vlogging skills and how he's actually vlogging and the whole situation, what's happening. All right. So anyways, man, let's get in the video. Wait, how's that bike floating? Wow.
So as you see, guys, the typhoon is already here. I'll show you guys a bit of the typhoon. Look. Grabe naman. It's crazy outside. Oh my god. Wow. Let's close it, guys. It's not safe. I pray for the safety of all the people out there.
Always pray. He's a good man.
All the Filipinos out there.
He's a good man.
You see? Even the cars that were parked down, they move it in the covered parking kasi delikado yan. Oh my god, look at the trees. Kawawa naman. Please don't fall. What's that, boy? Grabe, guys.
Wow.
Oh my god, the typhoon.
It's picking up.
Mga tao, look how strong the wind is. Oh my
I mean, the camera's not really picking up too much. Like, it doesn't look that bad so far. I guess it's 3:10 a.m.
You scared, buddy? Buddy, you're scared? Oh, guys. Oh my
Now
God.
it's picking up. That looks bad now.
Scary. Good morning, mga tao. It's been raining all night. We don't have electric all night. They just got it yesterday. Until today, no electric. I can't drink coffee. We can't eat, you know. It just calmed down. The winds, the storm. This was shaking yesterday. The trees were shaking, you know. We cannot go outside kasi may baha sa labas. So mga tao, you see outside the gate, it's all flooded. And
Wow.
there are kids swimming, I hear.
Look at that. Oh, this car
Oh
coming.
shit, there's a car that flooded. Oh my god, guys.
Wow.
Look at the puno. The puno also fell. The tree.
The puno, so that puno's
Oh
the
la
tree.
la. Look, the no parking sign, it all fell. All the no parking signs, they all fell. You see? There, mga tao. You see? There is a very big tree that fell. See how big it is? So big. Oh la la, mga tao. Look. Sige, let's go. In reality, we've been preparing for the first typhoon, but nothing happened here in Metro Manila. This second typhoon, it was unexpected and a lot of things happened. You see,
Wow.
mga tao? Look. People, they just watching here. Ano nangyari dito? Mga tao? Mga tao.
Whoa, that is
Look at
crazy, man. That's the pool.
Grabe. You see? They are pushing the motorbike. Kawawa siya. Bahana.
Look at how many people are helping.
Look,
That's the thing about it. Everyone's
another
willing to
one
help right
carrying
away.
his motorbike, but it's already flooded. This is what you call bayanihan, guys. See? Look, everything flying objects, swimming objects in here. They are bringing their boat. Another one, DJ Khaled, guys. See?
DJ Khaled.
There's bathtub.
Another one.
There's bathtub there. Ooh la la, mga tao. They are bringing the bathtub with them. Looks like funeral, mga tao. You see, guys, Filipinos, they are laughing. Even though it's flood, they keep laughing.
Right?
Look,
I always still have a smile, man.
There's an air bed there. You see the kid? Air bed. Oh la la. Pag wala budget sa swimming pool, guys.
The budget swimming pool, eh?
Look, enjoying the water. Wow. Amazing, amazing, guys.
Making the best of it still. Typhoon's horrible, but it's still making the best of it.
Another one. Oh, kawawa, ha? Yamaha NMAX. NMAX, mga tao. Kawawa, flooded na. You see, kawawa, the kuya there. It's kawawa.
Hey! Still having fun. Still up with the smiles on, man. Is he riding a bicycle?
Grabe, how many people are driving? Oh my God, mga tao. See? We're fortunate enough here that it's higher than the main road. That's why the water is not coming inside, you see. But all that area is all flooded up until
Yeah, I can
there.
imagine.
See?
Stores.
Even the truck, they parked there because it's baha. It's flooded. Look at this kuya, he's swimming. He has his swimsuits on.
Right? Swim
His
trunks.
umbrella. Waterproof. The garbage is flying, guys. See? Garbage flying. Look at the bike, guys. He's smoking inside the river. Grabe, it's like Italy, Venice, Italy. See,
Venice.
smoking while taking the river. Look at this bike, it's like floated bike.
Right?
How to be you po? Grabe. How is the bike floated, guys? Oh la la.
Must be on the top of it's something like wood or something,
guys,
some kind of, I don't know.
R.I.P. Carbonara, guys. You see how many tao? How can he drive the bike with the water? Look. He's driving it like there's nothing.
That's it.
How can he see what's under the water? Grabe, guys. Lakas, lakas.
The guy riding his bicycle, right?
Look, the garbage just floating. Oh la la. Ang laki yung alikansya mo. See, they're trying to carry the bike for it not to flood, but it's already flooded.
Yeah. It's very damaged.
Grabe, guys, look at the gas tank. See, he's carrying the gas in the water. And they are doing some kalkal bote. Look at the tank, mga tao. It's just floating in the water.
Wow.
Grabe.
These kids are having way too much fun, man. They still have high spirits over there.
Grabe. Look at that buccaneer, mga tao, you see? Grabe. Kaya, kaya. Kasi it's really high, this truck, you see? It's becoming GTA, guys.
GTA.
This is, you put the password in GTA, then the car can run on water, you see?
Let's see, get the code in.
Oh la la. Like we never prepared for this typhoon, but it hit us hard here in Metro Manila. Before, when we prepared for the first typhoon, nothing happened here in Metro Manila. I even have to close the 2 shops. Yolo Retro Diner were closed. Our 2 branches are closed today because of the typhoon. But it's okay. The bayanihan I see between the people really amazing. Oh, mga tao, you see? Oh la la. So, wala na kuryente, guys. It's good that I have candle in here.
Yeah.
See?
Cooking his rice.
Para pwede ako luto yung
on a frying
kanin ko.
pan, eh? I don't know how to do that.
I'm just reheating. Buti may gas, hindi ubos. Para wala gas, wala kuryente, wala na tubig. Ulala, mental hospital tayo, guys. Buti may leftover rice, guys. See? Shout out to my subscriber for sending me this. This is my ulam today. Corned beef.
That's
Delata
it.
is life now, guys. So guys, I chopped my potato in here. See, I'm making potato and corned beef. It's like romantic corned beef
Romantic.
style. Let's put a bit of olive oil. Then let's fry our potato. As if I can upload it today. Wala na power tayo, guys. Pero vlog pa more. Oh. Mukha masarap.
Oh,
These are the times, guys, when people realize how to value small things such as cooking, electricity, water. Now I'll be adding my onion. And then let's halo everything. I just added the onion almost when the potato is cooked para it doesn't get burned.
Mix.
See? It's gonna be delicious with the corned beef. I hope everyone will have the ability to eat and stay dry for tonight, guys. So guys, I added some water.
Look at that.
I added string
Chef.
onion. I added some spices so that it cooks well, because this kind of corned beef, if it's not watery, it gets too dry. So I just added a little water. Sorry guys, wala na damit kasi sobra init. So this is my food in here. I have green chili, and this is my rice, my corned beef, candle dinner. See, I have onion in here. Let's eat, mga tao. No kuryente, no tubig. They just cut the water also. This is my lemon water in here, you see. Lemon tubig for a healthy life. Kain po tayo. Let's eat and then let's go on the balcony. Mackie boy. Wala na cellphone, guys. Wala
He's on the cell phone, eh?
I only have Mackie boy. Come. Meme. What? Stretching. Buddy. Oh, stretching. Here, come here. Use your scratcher. Scratch, buddy. Scratch. So this is, guys, from Miss Elsa. Thank you so much, po. Come here. Wow. Mas tangkad si Dodo Boy kay Kuya. Kaya mo yan, boy. Kaya mo yan. Oh. Hey. Oh, buddy. This is the biggest boy.
Okay. Alright, so, I mean, with everything that's going on over there in the Philippines, one thing I've learned from watching Hungry Wandering Serbians video, man, is that the Filipino spirit is so strong, man. No matter what, like, yeah, it sucks that everything's flooded or whatever, but they're making the best of it. Like, see the kids, man, having fun, they're laughing, they're playing in the water. Like I said, it's a pool, right? It's a low budget pool, so they're having fun playing around with it. Everyone's still trying to do their best. And at the end of the day, what are you gonna do, man? You just gotta do your best. You can't stay down, can't stay sad about it. You gotta smile. Now let's look at the vlog way. The way he vlogs, he doesn't have anything fancy, no fancy transitions. Keeps it very simple. Just really a lot of hard cuts. I'm like, wow, keeps it that simple. So I guess it's more the story. People like listening to the story and watching the news. They want to know what's going on in the Philippines. That's why they like watching his vlogs a lot. Because I'm looking at how many views already. 1.4 million views on his vlogs, man. And it's so simple and it's so easy to follow. Like, even me, I was watching it, and honestly, I felt it's being so easy to follow. Yes, it did not have all those fancy transitions, the cool effects, but it was so easy to follow. It kind of made me like a little relieved like at ease. Like I didn't have to like go, oh. It kept to the story. And the story was this whole video was about the flood that's happening right now, the typhoon, and like it kept to it. Didn't draw me away from anything else. But the whole time I was like, wow, this is what's going on over there, man. Anyways, man, that's the end of the video. Guys, made all the end of the video. Guys, know to give the video a big thumbs up. That helps me a lot. Guys, new to the channel, consider hitting that subscribe button, turn that post notification bell is on, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, peace.